And not just because of the food here, but just because of all of the things. Christmas next week, also Hanukkah. If easy Christmas morning breakfast ideas are on your wish list, you've come to the right place. Here to help us not stress about feeding your holiday crowd on the morning of is the president of Elegant Affairs Caterers, Andrea Cariale. Welcome back to the show.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
So good to see you. We'll do Christmas Eve, Christmas dinner. That's usually like the star of the show. The last thing I know that I think about is Christmas morning.
Right, Christmas breakfast. You can't forget about Christmas breakfast.
Gosh.
So the key is to make it really easy.
Yes, easy because there's people who are like still opening presents.
Yes.
Kids are fighting over toys.
You're exhausted from the night before.
I am exhausted. So hold my hand, please.
Okay, I'm going to hold your hands. We're going to make this easy.
Please look at how beautiful. What is happening here?
So people are used to seeing bagels and lox.
Yes.
This is a spin on that. So you take your bread, you take a cookie cutter, a Christmas tree cookie cutter, you put your dill cream cheese on the bottom, then the salmon on top. That's the glue. And then you have your red onions, some capers, and some dill garnish. And what's great is you can make these ahead of time. And that's what's really important because you can put them in the fridge.
How long will they stay in the fridge?
Overnight.
Overnight.
Yeah, they'll be fine.
Oh my gosh.
And just remember, it's cold out now. So if it's 40 degrees or under, you could use a garage, you could use your outdoor balcony. You know, you can use that as a refrigerator. So keep that in mind.
I have a cooler with stuff that I keep on the, because I have wild animals back there. So, but yes, to your point, yes. This is genius. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One thing on the menu so far. This is gorgeous as well.
Okay, mini bundt cakes. You can find those molds online. You can get them overnight. So instead of a donut, instead of an expected muffin, you can make these bundt cakes. You can get it Betty Crocker right from the box. Get a spice cake. You could do a lemon poppy cake. It's all about the mini bundt. And then in the middle, you put some raspberries, some rosemary, and some powdered sugar.
Oh my, so you can do any recipe. We're not precious about this. If the box is your jam, do the box.
Right, if you want to make your own and you have the time, absolutely do it. But again, you can make these ahead of time and then just pop them out that morning.
Oh my gosh, check and check. I already talked about this is the cutest thing I have seen ever.
I saw this on Amazon. It's a little waffle gingerbread man maker.
Teeny tiny.
It's teeny tiny. Again, overnight. And you just use pancake mix or waffle mix, and you can get these little men that pop out. Or if you use the entire circle, they look like pancakes as well.
And the mold obviously is of a gingerbread.
And it's really great to actually put the batter into a squeeze bottle and then put it right in. And it actually works best. And then of all different types of syrups. So you can
elevate the whole experience.
To elevate it. Instead of expected maple syrup, you could do blueberry syrup, you could do peach syrup, strawberry syrup.
This Christmas breakfast is outshining the Christmas dinner. Holy smokes. This looks like a delicious parfait.
Again, you can do this the night before. This is a yogurt parfait, vanilla yogurt, and we have chocolate granola.
You know what? I haven't tried a single thing. What's wrong with me?
Yeah, you have to try. And then these are pieces of candy canes. So you can put the candy cane stick right inside. It's delicious. It's healthy for people who don't want the lox or they don't want the cake. They can have a nice yogurt parfait.
Oh my gosh, delicious.
Okay, these are frittatas. So all you do is you whip up all your eggs. You can add your bacon, your cheese. I like to use red and green peppers so you get that holiday kind of look. And I bake them in these Christmas ramekins, which again I bought on Amazon overnight. Or you can make a big sheet pan. You get a cookie cutter and you can cut out these Christmas tree shapes.
Look at this.
And again, they're on a pan. Put them in the oven that morning, pop them in.
How cute is that?
5 minutes later, they come out, they're warm, and you have a great egg dish.
Too pretty to look at, but we're going to look at it, we're going to eat it, and we want to wash everything down.
Right, you have to have a cocktail.
Come on, don't be ridiculous.
Now, the mimosa is something that's expected.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a little, you can use Prosecco, you don't have to use champagne. But you can use Prosecco or champagne.
And you have something candied here.
Yes, those are candied cranberries.
I love that.
And the way you make those is you basically take simple syrup, which is sugar and water. Then you put the cranberries inside. Then you cover them with sugar. You let them dry. And you have these pretty crystallized cranberries. And then I took pomegranate juice.
While you finish that, I want to remind folks at home, scan the QR code on the screen for all these recipes. And for more information about Andrea, go to elegantafairscaterers.com. Mom.
Yeah.
You have outdone yourself with
Thank
this
you.
spread and finished it off with a beautiful, festive, fizzy drink a la pomegranate and cranberry.
There you
Thank
go.
you so much.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.
And happy holidays to you.
Can we save all of this? Can I? Will it?
Absolutely.
Will it keep in the refrigerator until Monday?
Yes.
All right, you said so. We have so much more ahead on New York Living, so stick around. Coming up.